Hello guys, my name is Roland, and today I will be looking at these currency pairs: gold, BTC, pound, AUD, and EURCAD. So these are the current pairs on my watch list. So before moving further to the video, uh, last week, Friday, when the market closed, right, I was very interested in these two trades. So AUDUSD. So after it broke this level, I was expecting a continuation to the upside because the market still seems bullish. So I was expecting a reversal structure in this area. Then on the break of this trend line, I should be getting ready to enter my trade. Then this is what happened. So it came down and broke the trend line. Then it still came back again to do some stop loss hunting, then before it went to hit my target. So this was a very good trade. Pound USD, this trade didn't work out yet, so I'm expecting it to break above here, then retrace. Then I will take it buy to the upside, or if it goes below here, then I'll wait for a retracement, then sell it to this level. So at the moment, this trade not yet activated, so now it's on Friday close. This is where the market currently is at. Gold, this was on March 16th. Gold really, it blew all the way up. You can see it blew all the way up. Trade, I'll consider it a loss. Okay. Now let's jump to the chart for today. But I hope your trading week was good. Mine was good as well. At the moment, gold retrace from here, then create a broke structure around here, so create a higher high, higher low. Then when it broke the structure, it went all the way to this level. Okay, now it's here, it bounced back, went back up to retest this, then he broke down below the structure. Now it's now going back up again. So currently I feel gold is in a monthly range. It's in a monthly range in market. Okay, so we go to the weekly time frame. I'm still expecting uh gold to come back in and react and fall back. So if you see here, it looks like a WXY or ABCDE pattern that is happening. So overall, the trend is bullish on the monthly time frame. The trend is bullish. So what is my plan for next week, this coming week? So at the daily time frame, this current trend, so the market went all the way here, we came down. Now it's trying to bridge this structure again. So currently I feel this is the fifth wave that is forming. So if you count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the fifth wave that is formed. So I expect a reaction in this area and drop down. So moving on to the 4-hour time frame. So the market has broken the structure. So I expect either one of these to happen. One of these. So I expect it to either go higher high, higher low, higher high, then a higher low, then fail swing and move bleed all the way down, or it could just create higher high, higher low, higher high, break off this structure, then go back up, fail swing, then come all the way down. So this is what I'm expecting on gold for this coming week. So we just I'll keep a close eye on gold for a sell. BTC, BTC at the moment, if you go and check in my previous analysis, I was expecting BTC to, to react from this area and go all the way up, right? And that's what BTC did. Or if it breaks this structure, I expect BTC to bleed all the way down here. But now we see, because of this move here, this major count, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is a retracement. So A, B, C retracement. So this is what we currently have. Now, uh, this could be wave 1 or wave C. Then this retracement could be wave 2. It could be a wave 2 that is currently trying to form. So I'm not really sure. Overall, the direction now for BTC is now going back to the upside for a retracement. So if it breaks this level, then it's going to go to this next target. So BTC, next target is, if it breaks, since it has broken this level, BTC next target, overall target should be 45,000. That's my next target for BTC based on the monthly time frame. Moving down to the weekly, BTC has broken this region, which is the 25,000 mark. So now that's broken. So I expect more continuation to the upside. So if you draw your trend line, below to there. So I expect BTC to continue to this level, 32,000 and 30,000. BTC should just go to the 30,000. Right, then if it breaks this region, then it should go all the way to 45,000. So this is what I'm currently looking at on BTC. So for this coming week, as you can see, when BTC was around here, I was expecting it to break below here, then move all the way to the upside, because this is an inverted head and shoulder, left head and right shoulder, which just formed. So if you count the waves here, it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is a correction wave, A, B, C wave that just formed here. So when it came down here, and the news propelled it to move all the way to the upside. Now, based on this analysis, I'm just looking at a continuation to the upside. So the market successfully broke, daily candle successfully broke the structure and closed. So this coming week, I'm expecting a retracement. Then upon this retracement, I'll be looking for entry point around this region when it starts to retrace, to buy it all the way to 32k. From 32k, once it breaks this region again, I'll wait for retracement, then buy it all the way to the next level target, which is 45,000. So this is all for BTC. Now moving down to pound USD. Pound USD. Okay. Pound USD on the monthly time frame, it has been overall bearish. Okay. Pound is still overall bearish. is overall bearish, okay, to the downside. But now it's trying to retrace back to the upside. So if you check, if you look carefully, so pound has actually broken a structure here. It has successfully broken a structure here. So I still expect more bullish continuation. So at the moment, it's stuck in a range. So if you go to the weekly time frame, you will see the range. So it came here, it counted like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or it could be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Came all the way here, it came down, went back up, came down, it's not going back up again. So this could be my A, B, C, D, E. So at the moment, I'm not sure what gold is going to do. So what I feel is it's stuck in a weekly range, So on the daily time frame, what I'm expecting is this. If a daily candle closes successfully above here, I'm waiting for a rejection, retracement, then I will buy pound to the upside. Okay. Then if it breaks below this region, I'll sell it. This is based on the daily time frame. Then going down to the 4-hour time frame, this is a daily resistance structure. So at the moment, I'm still waiting for pound to break above here, then buy all the way here. Or pound could break below here and I'll sell it all the way here. So at the moment, if you look at the daily time frame, it's bullish because of this range. Okay, so it came all the way down here, it broke structure, retraced. So I'm expecting more bullish to somewhere around this region. Okay, that's on the daily time frame. So at the moment it has broken structure, retraced to the fib level, and it's now going back up. So what I'm expecting is for a continuation of this trade, I'm expecting a 4-hour candle close, then a retracement, then I'll buy all the way to the upside. Then if I check on the 1-hour time frame, so this is a 4-hour structure because the 4-hour structure. So this is a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. If GPB GBP closes below this structure, I'll wait for a retracement, then I will sell it. That's another option for intraday trading. So keeping all my fingers crossed. So I'm just waiting patiently. But my main bias is to the upside. Is my overall bias to the upside. Then if it breaks below this level, I will sell it to this level. Now going down to AUDUSD. AUDUSD. At the moment, the market is still bearish, but market is beginning to it broke the structure, it retraced, then it's trying to still come back down. So at the moment, based on the weekly time frame, the market seems to be stuck in a range. That's what I feel. The market seems to be stuck in a range. So it rallied all the way from here up to way to here. Then it came reverse trend, higher low, lower low, lower high, broke structure again, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, then lower low, lower high. So at the moment, for AUDUSD, if it breaks below here, I'm going to sell it all the way to the downside. But if it breaks above here, daily candle breaks above here, you know, I'm going to continue buying AUD to the upside. This is what I'm expecting. So now it's in this region. So if it comes to this daily resistance level, I expect something like this to happen. Like now it's like going higher, 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 low, higher, 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 low. Then I expect major failed swing, then drop, or break of structure, then drop. This is what I'm expecting. But if it breaks above here, I'm going to buy. If it comes to this level and breaks, I'm going to sell. So that's what I'm currently looking at for AUD, USD. Then EURCAD. EURCAD is very interesting. I've never traded this pair before, but it's giving me a very good opportunity to continue the trade all the way to the upside to this region. So at the moment, it went from here to here, 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 here. It went to this region, and it monthly time frame it broke this structure. So definitely this is a retracement of this leg that you're seeing here. So if you go to the Fibonacci, at least it's now in the 0.5 and 0.6 region of the Fibonacci. So I am still expecting a minor push to the upside. So on the weekly time frame, this is the movement. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I believe this is the fifth wave that is forming, and I believe that it's still going to push a little bit higher. Okay, so after it broke this after the daily time frame broke this weekly structure, so I'm expecting a retracement, which already did. Then it should continue to the upside. So this setup will be invalid if it breaks below this level, on this level. If it breaks below this level, it means it's going to bleed all the way down. Okay, so at the moment, I'm overall my bias is buy, as long as it doesn't break below this level. So I'm seeing the current the RSI is moving to the upside, and the MACD, I see the buyers are beginning to have more volume coming in. So I'll be waiting and observing. It has broken the structure, this trend line, counter trend line. It has broken the structure, so I'm waiting for another retracement. And upon this retracement, if I see more bullish sign, I'm going to take this trade. So this trade is of a risking around 1:12 risk. So it's going to be, so my first profit target will be here, then my second profit somewhere around here, 1:8, then my third profit will be somewhere around here, which is the overall target. That's what I'm looking at. Okay, so that's all for today, guys. I hope you enjoy my analysis, and please do not forget to hit the like button, and feel free to share your ideas. this is my thought process on this currency pairs which I am looking at for this upcoming week. Yes, thank you for your time.